The French Riviera was lit up with Indian glamour this week as a new generation of Bollywood stars graced the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival, joining veterans like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in celebrating cinema, fashion and heritage. New faces, bold fashion. Actors Ishan Khattar, Janhvi Kapoor and Vishal Jetwa turned heads on Tuesday as they attended the premiere of French thriller Vie Privée, A Private Life. The trio stars in Neeraj Ghaywan's much-anticipated film Homebound, one of only 2 Indian films selected to compete at this year's festival. Janhvi Kapoor, making her Cannes debut, paid homage to Indian craftsmanship in a stunning custom pink outfit by designer Tarun Tehlwani. The hand-woven tissue skirt and corset, made in the historic textile city of Benares, highlighted delicate crushed fabric artistry, bringing a piece of India's traditional heritage to the global stage. Co-star Ishan Khattar, already familiar to international audiences from Netflix, the perfect couple walked in a maroon velvet band gala suit by Gaurav Gupta, adorned with intricate knot embroidery, a fusion of Indian tailoring and modern flair. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan returns. On Wednesday, all eyes were on Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, a Cannes veteran and global ambassador for L'Oreal, who returned with her signature elegance. Styled by Manish Malhotra, Rai Bachchan wore a regal Banarsi sari with a hand-woven dupatta bordered in real gold and silver zardozi embroidery. Her look was completed with traditional jewelry and sindoor, adding a personal cultural touch that resonated deeply with fans. Rai Bachchan, who first appeared at Cannes in 2002 and served as a jury member in 2003, once again embodied timeless grace while celebrating Indian traditions on an international stage, rising stars and global designers. Earlier in the week, young actress Nitanshi Goyal, best known for her performance in Lapata Ladies, walked the red carpet in a dramatic sculpted gown by Jade, Monica Shah and Karishma Soali. The outfit featured a bold black corset and a striking cage skirt symbolizing strength and creative freedom. Entrepreneur turned actress Kamstra, who made her film debut at Cannes this year, wore a dazzling brown ball gown by Dubai-based designer Michael Senoko, adorned with gold leaf applique. Kamstra shared her excitement, calling her Cannes appearance the fulfillment of a lifelong dream. Senoko also designed the eye-catching mosaic-inspired tulle gown worn by Urvashi Rautela on the festival's opening night, showcasing his signature flair for drama and dating, a global stage for Indian cinema. As the festival continues, India's presence at Cannes 2025 stands a powerful symbol of the country's growing influence on global cinema and fashion. With both established icons and rising talents dazzling the red carpet, this year's event proves that Indian stars and their stories are shining brighter than ever on the world stage.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.